versus Milagro Cooper case. As you come in, please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already. As you all know, we are on Verdict Watch. I'm gonna wait for a few of you to come in to give you a really quick update. Um, Also, it's a lot going on here at the court. We got yellow tape. We got all type of things going on here. Apparently, there was some issue with a suspicious package or whatnot. So, hey, Miss Angie. Hey, Miss HLS. Good morning. Good morning. We are back, even on Dev's birthday. So when you guys see Dev, when I go on, wish him a happy birthday. Wish. As you guys see, we are back with the roosters crowing. That's what we are doing right now. But anyway, all the parties are here. We are waiting to see what the jury has to say today. Will Milagro be found liable, or will they say no? No. Good morning. Someone said, I hope they deem her media, because that's BS if they don't. You guys are way more entertaining. Not we entertained. I think with the media question, it's more so on impartiality, like how traditional media is supposed to be, where you just give the facts and that's it, and don't really give your opinion. So yeah, it'll be curious to see. I think one of the questions that came out today when I walked into the courtroom is they were discussing media and the definition of media and all of that. So apparently that is something that is being mulled over from what I gather. But there were already, it looks like the jurors came in with questions. And one of those questions is, could you better define maliciously? So the term maliciously, they wanted to know what it meant, and they wanted examples. Well, the court doesn't give examples. They tell you, for the most part, to rely on the jury instructions, rely on the evidence that's already been entered. So they came in, and it's some, based on these questions, they really are, it sounds like they are going back and forth. They had another question asking, when did Meg and Pete register to vote, or register here, I guess, in Florida? And I told you all there was a question before about the whereabouts of when she saw the deep fake. I think, and of course I'm speculating, is they were wondering if the statute would even apply. But apparently there really wasn't any choice of law issues in here, from my understanding. But again, it kind of shows you have to be careful on what you say, because I believe in Megan's attorney, the closing, they mentioned the statute and how it's new and it applies to Florida. Like, maybe some of that information in the closing might have confused them. There was also, and they basically told them to rely on their recollection. They weren't going to give any information about that. And then they said on page 5 of the jury verdict, and I tried to go find it because I know they corrected it, but I didn't see it on the docket, so I have to look again. They said on page 5, they're confused if they believe half, is that a yes? So they back there. And when you look at the jury instruction, it was a lot. Like, it was some pages, and it was like, if you believe yes, go to 2. If you don't believe that, go to 3. And then if you believe she media, I don't know. It was a bit confusing. And I think the court even recognized that some of the language seemed a bit confusing. So I don't. The bottom line was they just told everybody rely on the jury instructions or whatnot. So that has happened, and it's only 9/11. So we'll see if we get any type of play, action, or whatever. Also, I did want to say that because I guess it was something going on where you'll see like some yellow tape or whatnot. Let me see if y'all can show y'all. Hold on. See, it's like blocked off and stuff. So it's some yellow tape. They're taking a long time to get you up in here to check you in. So because of that, I'm going to go back up there. But I did want to let you all know, because I know a lot of people were still in line when they were asking these questions. And if the questions are coming in this fast, then it's probably be more questions. So I don't want to miss anything. So anyway, you said this is all about big ball of confusion. Child, yeah. So y'all, please hit the like button. Thank y'all. I told you all it's a quick update, and that's what I meant. So I'll be back. Hopefully I'll be back with a verdict. If not, I'll be back to let you all know what's going on in the courtroom if it's any questions. But until then, you all, I'll talk to you later. Thank you all again for all the support.